D lane for Bourne. It's a Gemini job. The only weird catch with D lane is the company name is always on the blind as well, in case you don't know who the hell's it is. But who else goes to Bourne except for Sliff Audio? 4. 37,210, Enviro 200. To Thorney. 61. 37,222. It's another 200. It's 36,936 on 2s. 37,005 on 3s for the county hospital via Britain Centre. 6. It can't go there because it is there. 19,609. The 5 running to
Yaxley.
Yeah. 1961 Fua. Oh, Central Connect on the 25. That used to be Vector Group. MMC behind him. For Warrington, 10,867. Just before you get into Gainsborough's bunch of 10.9s. The X4 for Corby,
1232.
Kettering,
X4
Wellingborough
to Corby,
and Northampton,
then
11,128.
Kettering, 11,128.
That's an old Stagecoach Gold unit. $220. Yeah. 3 wants to go to Park Farm Stand Ground, 19,236.
Service from North Breton to Stand Ground.
He wants to go to Thorney. I don't know if he's going
So
there.
here's the 1237 service from North Breton to Thorney.
Via Barnwell and Eyeballs, 37,210.
There's another one.
Oh. 36,914, going to make his way onwards to the rail replacement service for Norwich.
And
10,869 for Alton.
Hang on, I just had it somewhere. Right, so he is the 1239 service from Rankin Centre to Walton Wistow.